We truly believe a healthy inside of you starts from the inside of the soil. We are building a genuine brand. We promise to keep the land pure. We never touched any chemical till today. Yes, we are meticulous. Even we feed our cows with 100% organic grass. We make small batches, but all our products are loaded with uncompromised quality. We call it goodness of earth in a pack. Giloi with wheatgrass and tulsi, very hygienically produced. This is one of the best we have at our store, also available online. This is the best that one could get in the market. This is our own wheatgrass unit where we produce our own wheatgrass, hygienically produced. As you can see, there is no fungus like we see in other wheatgrass units. We'll take extra precautions to make sure that we get the best quality in our hydroponics. 5 deadly whites: white sugar, white rice, white flour, salt are the main reasons for obesity, diabetic, cancer, the list goes on. We have 100% organic alternatives. Replace white rice with black rice and brown rice. We have this amazing multi-rice. Replace white atta with black wheat atta, very heart friendly, 7 different flavors for 7 days. Replace sugar with Jaggery line of products that we have. Come and taste the real authentic Jaggery. We have aged Jaggery which has higher medicinal values. We have pure Jaggery based jams and syrups. One Punch is the most popular one, which is premium alum murabba. Replace white salt with onion salt, black and pink salt. Ages of hard work went into this, and immense labor work to get into the purity of these products.